Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, languages, add a language. Here you can see the whole list of the available system languages. So let's pick for example Ukrainian, and then to set Ukrainian as your system language, just drag it on the first place and language will be changed automatically. So if you want to change it back to English, just go to налаштування, then Система, Мова та ведення, Мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.